For the reading of the city resolution declaring Nuestra Señora de la Merced as the Queen of Tarlac City, brothers and sisters, let us all welcome our City Mayor, Honorable Maria Cristina C. Angeles.
Resolution number 8-35-540. Whereas September 24, 2020 marks the 65th feast day of the patroness and episcopal coronation of the Nuestra Señora de la Merced, also known as Our Lady of Ransom and the Miraculous Lady of Matatalaib, who became a witness to the development of the faith and prosperous growth of the community. Whereas, based on available sources, the origins of the devotion to Nuestra Señora de la Merced of Matatalaib, Tarlac City, dates back to the first half of the 1900s, when Matatalaib back then had no permanent site for the church to nourish the significant needs of the people, and it was through the help of a member of the community that the site for the chapel was donated. Later, elevated in 1955 to a parish dedicated to Our Lady of Mercy. Whereas, the Honorable Maria Cristina C. Angeles, City Mayor, has forwarded a letter to the Sangguniang Panglungsod dated September 7, 2020, requesting for the adoption of a resolution supporting the declaration of the patroness Nuestra Señora de la Merced as the Queen of the City of Tarlac. Whereas, the Parish Pastoral Council of the Diocesan Shrine and Parish of Nuestra Señora de la Merced of Barangay Matatalaib has likewise conveyed its appeal for such declaration, citing the following as basis to support the same. The parish and its patroness is one of the founding parishes in the canonical erection of the Diocese of Tarlac. The parish and its patroness has become a major part of the history of the city of Tarlac, being the first Marian parish in the city. The parish is the first declared diocesan Marian shrine in the city, as decreed by the Most Reverend Bishop of Tarlac. The image has been invited to and participated in numerous events outside the city, representing not only Barangay Matatalaib, but the entire city of Tarlac. The image of Our Lady will be the first venerated image from the city of Tarlac to be given the privilege of an episcopal coronation. Whereas, the Sangguniang Panlungsod of Tarlac, headed by Honorable Genaro M. Mendoza, City Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer, finds the fitting and proper to extend due recognition and support for the declaration of the patroness Nuestra Señora de la Madrid as the Queen of the City of Tarlac. Now, therefore, on joint motion, unanimously approved, resolved that the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Tarlac hereby conveys its support for the declaration of the patroness Nuestra Señora de la Merced as the Queen of the City of Tarlac. Resolved further that this resolution be forwarded to the Honorable Maria Cristina C. Angeles, City Mayor, for her information, and copies hereof be furnished to the Parish Pastoral Council of the Diocesan Shrine and Parish of Nuestra Señora de la Merced of Barangay Matatalaib, Tarlac City, and to all concerned for their information and appreciation. Attested, certified to be duly adopted, Maria Teresa Pangilinan, Secretary of the Sanggunian, Honorable Genaro M. Mendoza, Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer of Tarlac City, and Honorable Maria Cristina C. Angeles, City Mayor.